everybody, and welcome to my channel. So I got a couple of books from Thrift Books, the largest online used bookstore. They also have an eBay account where they sell their books. A lot of them are $3.94, and then it goes up from there. So most of these that I bought, I think all of them that I bought were $3.94 that I got from them. And they're all Bruce Cameron. Alright, so this is Repo Madness. And this one's in really, really not great condition. I wish they would have said something about that. Anyway, this one is one of the Walmart books. And it's the Dog Master. Both of those are, as you can tell, not hardcover. That's okay.